I got this decor basket from Target, and it started out with the unfinished wood, and I spray painted it white. I got this for $3. I used the Krylon Classic White chalk spray paint. I grabbed these string lights from Target as well. They were $3. And I just started by weaving the string lights in and out of the basket. And I just went around the entire outside. And once it was wrapped around, I also took this gather sign. I got this from Target as well. This was also $3. And using some E6000 adhesive glue, I just glued the gather sign in the center of the basket. And I allowed that to dry. I held it in place with some clamps. Now the string lights take 2 AA batteries. And I just took the extra garland and I just wrapped it up the right side of the basket here and just twisted it. And I flipped it over and I took my hot glue gun and I glued the battery to the back of the basket. And you want to make sure you leave the side that you remove to insert the batteries facing up. I got these cloth pumpkins from Dollar General, and they came with a couple of different sizes, so I put them in the bottom right corner of the basket. Now you can decorate this however you'd like. And I just allowed everything to dry. And then I just took some jute and I put a hanger on the back. And now you just have this gather basket wall decor that you can hang inside your home. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.